I am happy to share some academic details that includes also some infrastructure details of the earlier known as Women's Institute of Technology, now renamed as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Women's Institute of Technology. This institute was established way back in 2005 and inaugurated by the then His Excellency, the President of India, late Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, on December 30, 2005. From then, this institute, a kind of its own in the entire Eastern India, has been taking all necessary steps towards the women empowerment and producing successful technocrats year by year. By now, this is an occasion to share that 9 batches of technocrats have already passed out, and a good number of them, they are serving various government, non-government institutions at various places. Few are still in abroad places and they are in touch with this institution. There are two BTech programs which are being offered here. One, information technology, with which the institute started, and the other was added is computer science and engineering, along with MC also. Presently, the campus, which is housed in an area of 8.45 acres, is having a boundary wall and also houses 3 running women hostels with an intake capacity of 125 girls. That has got the facility of mess and other things alike. The institute is right now passing through a very important phase of its inception, that is, new buildings are coming up. That includes academic and administrative complex, various classrooms, in addition to the existing facilities. We have a library which has got around 10,000 titles, books, including a parallel nice reading room facility. We have computer labs for the programs that I just mentioned, that is information technology, computer science and engineering, as well as MCA. A 120 seating capacity auditorium is also underway, and we expect that some time from now that will be completed. That will be a very important addition to the infrastructure of this institute. Having passed almost 10 year plus, this institute now aspires to develop more and wants to add few more areas of academic programs, and we hope that with necessary required facilities we shall be in a position in days to come. This institute was established as a unit of LN Mithila University, which is basically a government funded university of Government of Bihar. The managing council is the supreme body of this institute under the chairmanship of the Honorable Vice Chancellor, where Registrar, DSW, Dean Science and Technology, then Dean Students Welfare, then Secretary Government of Bihar Science and Technology, and others are also members. So all the decisions which are taken in this institute for its academic or otherwise developments, they are taken at the level of the managing council. It means that this university is the basic parent body running the entire show of this institute, and we hope that in days to come this institute shall achieve the purpose for which it was established. And the important thing is that only recently the name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has also been added to its name, so now it is known as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Women's Institute of Technology. Thank you very much.